like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to do GANPATI decoration. So let's get started. And if you want to know the needed material and its link, it is in the description box. So do check it. So let's get started. To make flowers, first we will take a yellow strip and fold it like this way. Now cut the strips till the line drawn. So it's done. Same way we have to make 3 more and let's roll it. Now let's take a piece of a paper and draw a petal. And cut it. Now cut slightly and stick it. I am using glue gun. Now stick the petal on the cardboard. Same way we have to make more petals. And the flower is ready. Let's take green color paper and make many types of leaves. Now let's take PVC pipes and join it to make a frame. So it is ready. Now let's take silver color cloth and cover the back side. It is also done. Now let's take yellow lighting. You can take white lighting also. Now let's take hand-painted paper and stick it on the table. Now let's take our flowers and stick it. Same way we have to make 7 more. If you want to know how to make orange color flowers, link is in the description box or click on the I button. Now let's take leaves. So it is done and the Ganpati decoration is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And happy Ganesh festival!